What's up, guys? Today we're to another reaction to a new chili video. Like here today, it's called Lily Finds a Bird Nest. Okay, so in the video, so it looks like Lily was outside and walking around, and she found a bird nest, guys. It looks like she found it laying on the ground, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna see where she found the bird nest, guys. So yeah. Before I start the video, guys, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, guys. Link in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my pet detail channel. Link in the description. You guys can subscribe to. So let's pray, guys. Yeah, in my social media platform, be description. You guys can find my other social media. So let's pray, guys. Yeah, in the visual video, link in the description. You guys can watch it. So make sure to subscribe to Chili if you're the subscribers. You get 3 minutes subscribers, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into this reaction. Chili.
Okay, guys. Hey, Chili Peppers, welcome to the vlog. A long time no see since I've started a vlog.
Yeah,
but
Chili
I
has
want to
been
explain something before
Chili's
I upload this,
been vlogging for a long time.
Confusing. You coming out here with me, bud?
Taco
because
say
in
no.
this vlog, me and Lily are like running house to house, and it's only been explained.
Chili's vlogging
like
in this vlog because she hasn't made a vlog for a long time.
A little bit confusing. So let me go ahead and explain it to you guys. Oh, what's up, Taco? Come on, baby.
Let Taco
so
out.
right here, this is my house. It's where all the cars are. I know I have to take this down. Over
She's
here
still the Christmas tree.
My mom. This is my
Christmas tree's house. Mom's. She lives in her mom's house.
Which this has been explained before.
That's Tito's house.
For a little bit. This is Tito's house.
Yep.
My brother.
I already know.
I have more than one brother, so yes, they live over there. I live here.
Yep.
Lily's grandparents are over here.
Side
note, I do call them
that's really cool.
But they're not actually Lily's
really cool
grandparents.
Family lives next to each other.
They're super sweet and they help me out with anything and everything. So that's them over there. They actually have Shelby. If you guys want, I can make a video. I'll go into their backyard with Lily and show you guys the turtle. Yes, Shelby has gotten so huge. That little short span of time where I was getting my pool done and I didn't have a backyard and everything was a mess. That's when I boarded Snowball and Blizzard. Then it was it was getting kind of sad because Snowball and Blizzard were like living in this boarding place and it was a nice place. It was running me about like $4,000, $4,500 a month. But I was like, well, I don't have a backyard for them. We did find a lovely home for them. Well, they actually came to me. I wasn't trying to find a home for them. And then over here, which we are here a lot, so you're probably going to see a lot of videos of us over here at this house. This is Lily's aunt's house.
That's Lily's aunt's house.
Friends. And last but not least, way over there, that is the filming house. Is where I park my golf cart in the
house.
Garage. So it's getting windy and it's getting really cold. So bye. I hope that explained it a little bit. That way you're not super confused in the video. Like, why are you walking into everybody's house? I think about covers.
That was the house they used to haunted house.
Enjoy.
Excuse me, talking Taco.
You want to go to mommy's house?
Lily's walking.
What's wrong? The lights are working. Look. You have to look in the dark. Go look in the dark. They're on.
He's like, can you please turn them on, mommy?
You love Taco?
She said, I love Taco.
Oh
no! She's fixing the lights.
Oh, something else. Did you fix them all?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's like, yes, mommy.
Oh. Okay.
He's like, I'm fixing the lights.
They're all standing straight. Lily, I see one. The red one right here.
Yeah, that one's off. Look, that light is tipped over. He's like, I'm gonna fix it, mommy.
Yay! Oh.
She almost
Lily,
there.
I think your shoes are on backwards.
Taco. That's Taco.
You love him?
She's like, I love you, Taco.
Santa. Huh?
It's Santa. She's asking Taco if she likes Santa.
Yeah, Taco loves Santa.
And Taco's like, of course, Lily. Yeah, she's hugging him.
Look, Mom.
Yeah?
Mommy pick Taco up.
You want Mommy to pick up Taco?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's like,
can I show
Mommy,
you something
pick
first?
him up.
Yeah.
You want to see bird eggs?
Yeah.
Los huevos de pajarito.
Oh,
What she found? She found one of the lights tipped over. And she's like, I forgot
Are they
about
all
those
fixed
lights,
now?
mommy. I forgot about those.
Yeah. Red and green. Look. Oh. See? That's Papa's favorite color. Papa's favorite color.
Your grandpa's favorite color is green.
Yeah.
That's Tito's favorite color too.
Oh.
Mm.
And Daddy's favorite color. It's blue. And baby's favorite color is yellow.
Yeah, that's the baby's favorite color.
And now it's
I got this one. Whose favorite color is this one?
um, Tito.
Tito's. No.
Tito.
The orange. Whose favorite color is orange?
Mm, mm.
Hey, mommy.
Yes, Yolita. That's her grandma, by the way.
Her grandma.
On my side.
Tacos. I was
You want to give him a snack?
pick taco.
Oh, okay. Wait, espérate. Mira, ven.
Espérate.
Oh,
Mira los huevos de pajaritos.
I was speaking Spanish.
Ven aquí.
Oh, there's
Sí,
bird
eggs.
nests.
Mira, ven.
Those bird nests.
It's eggs.
Aquí. Don't touch them. They're just babies. Just
So that's where she found it. Was the side outside their house.
Take the mommy bird.
You want to take it to the mommy bird?
Yeah.
The mommy's going to be right back. The mommy's just going to get some food.
Give me. Huh? Give me. Give me some.
You want to hold them?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up, but you can't touch them, okay?
Okay.
He's like, I won't touch him, mommy.
Gotta be very gentle.
Hold on, guys. My dad's calling me. All right, guys. I'm back. All right. Let's continue now.
Okay, touch it.
Oh my God! What? Yeah, hold on. My dad's calling me again. All right, guys. I'm back. Sorry about that. So hopefully my dad won't call me anymore, guys. Here. Anyways, let's continue.
Okay, that's it.
I want to hold it.
You can't hold it.
Like,
You can hold the
please
nest.
let me
Yeah,
hold
You
it.
could do that.
Okay.
Lily,
Thank
turn
you,
around and
mommy.
smile. Say cheese. Hey,
Cheese.
look what I have.
That's all I have.
What are they? No, 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 no. Be careful.
They're don't
very,
touch them.
They're babies.
Huh?
They're not real, guys. Don't drop them, Lily. They're just babies.
Oh,
Eh.
mommy bird.
Hopefully she doesn't
What
drop
do you
the
wanna do?
nest.
I
Oh, you want to put it all the way up there?
Uh,
So the mommy
it's
bird
too
can
high,
get
Lily.
If it's babies back?
Yeah.
Okay. I have an idea. Let's bring it over here. Follow me.
How fun. I want to hold them.
Okay, you can hold them.
She's like, let me hold it, mommy.
Taco, are you coming?
Here. Oh,
She almost tripped there.
Be careful. Wait, we'll fix it later. We have to take care of the eggs.
Okay.
Okay, but we'll be right back and we'll fix your light.
She was worried about the light for a second.
Over here, there's a tree. Uncle Tito has a tree. See? Over here, Uncle Tito has a tree
Uncle Tito.
next to his house. And we could put the baby bird on the
1, 2,
tree.
3, 4, 5, 6. He put it up there.
Yeah, look, there's a tree over here. Come on, hurry.
Okay.
She's gonna try to put the bird nest on the tree.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy bird. Where's mommy bird? Where's the baby bird?
Well, the babies are right there. We have to wait for them to open.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we just
Okay. Ready to put them on the tree? So the mommy can come back and find the eggs? Okay.
Taco's
Here,
walking.
I'll put them up there. I'll put them right
open it.
right here.
And open
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
it.
Disclaimer, these are not real. I bought these at like Hobby Lobby. That's why I told her not to pick it up, because you can't.
Yeah. I petted Taco.
Pick Taco up.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You did tell me to pick up Taco. Okay.
I just got a big taco.
Come on, we have to fix the lights. You want to open up the door?
She's like, I want to
wanna
open
play
the
with
door,
those
mommy.
doggies?
Yeah.
Lily. Hey, Lily. Who's that? What's his name?
Um.
You forgot?
No.
It's Waldo.
Miss Mommy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Waldo.
No, get down.
Oh, you want me to go down the steps?
Going down the stairs.
Taco.
Come on, Taco.
Okay, walking down.
No,
Stop. Stop. You're meanie.
I'm Minnie.
Yeah.
Mini.
Let's pick some flowers. Let's pick some flowers.
You want to pick some flowers?
Yeah.
There's pretty yellow ones over here. You love yellow. It's your favorite color.
Yep. Oh, there's another one. And then another one too. Uh-oh.
Vamos a coger flores.
Oh, let's try
Take it.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Say que linda.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's, no, maybe that's a little one. That's a mommy. That's a flower. That's daddy's flower.
That's for the baby.
Yeah.
That's mommy's flower and that's daddy's flower.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Picking flowers from her and mommy.
Oh, it's a big one.
This is a big one.
Can you do
Who's that one gonna be for? Say Uncle Tito.
Okay, Tito.
Uncle Tito.
Uh-oh.
Tito's very big, like a flower.
Tito.
Whoa!
Another
Maybe
big
that one
one.
should be Tito's. This one's super long.
One. Let's two of them.
What? Okay, we can have one for Millie and Roy.
Yeah. Let's do
Not Roy.
one. This last.
Okay, that's the last one. All right.
Uh-oh.
Got a bouquet. Is there one for Taco?
Yeah, this for Lily.
And that's for Lily. Okay.
That's for her.
Oh, you're just picking Uncle Tito's weeds.
You just picking. She's picking
Sure,
all
he's
of them
actually gonna
out.
appreciate that. Scott, you're missing all that.
Let's go.
Okay, where are we going?
Uh-oh.
What
Uh,
happened?
Where is it?
I don't see it. Oh, right here.
she dropped it. Then she found it.
Vámonos.
And Vamanos.
One. House.
Hold my hand. Oh, I just don't want you to trip. Perfect.
I like the tree.
Yeah, I don't like it when the baby trips.
I
Uh-huh.
like that. I like baby died.
You don't like the baby dies?
A baby died.
Yeah.
You don't have to put it that way. You were just gonna trip and fall. Uh-oh, Lily. Come on, go to Millie's house. There's a car coming. Oh, that's Lita. Say, hola. Let's go give Lita her flower.
Mm.
No.
No?
Hello. I gave you my flower.
We picked out flowers. We picked out flowers at Tito's house.
That's her mom.
Literally over there.
And she just got home.
Oh, shoot. Maybe I shouldn't leave my laptop and my iPad on the ground.
why was the laptop on the ground?
Lily, wait for me.
And the iPad as well.
Silly goober.
A goober.
Shoot. Wait for me, silly goober. I was picking up my laptop and my chair so I can put it back in the garage.
Why was it outside the garage?
Okay, Lily, let's go show Millie and Roy our flowers.
Oh, that flower is broken.
We
That's
don't want
broken.
We'll put it back in its house. Here we go. Right there. on, let's go. Come on, girly. Come on, girly girl.
Hey, gotta go back inside now.
Make sure when you open up the door, you say the baby's here.
Baby's here.
And baby's here.
Say hello.
I didn't know Chili got brought
The
another
baby's here.
dog.
Let's go find him.
Let's
Let's go
Oh,
find
Chili,
him. Come
hopefully
on.
till you tell us what dog name that is.
Let's go find Uncle or Theo.
If petting his dog, her dog.
Say hola, Luna.
I hear a tiny little voice in my house. I hear tiny little voice. Can I have that? Please, please, please. Give me. Hi, Lily. Where's Roy? Where's Roy? Let's go look for Roy. Let's go see. Come on.
Kiss the baby.
Hey,
Tell her she's pretty.
she's kissing herself.
Say you're so pretty. You are so pretty.
He's like,
one
I
more
love
kiss.
you, Lily. I love you myself.
Oh yeah, as Minnie Mouse. Put on your mini ears
She's
and give her another kiss.
she's Minnie Mouse now.
No, without the passy. Yeah.
She kissed herself.
If I was you, I would kiss myself all day too. Oh,
She's going back. I thought she was going back to
I
kiss
can't get enough
herself.
of you either.
Yeah, we feel the same way, Lily.
There it is. Guys, I
Nothing.
I could like when I know the vlog, I thought that was Lavelle, guys, but that nah,
All right,
that was
Chili
the other guys.
Peppers. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, tell me in the comments that you want me to vlog more often.
Yes,
'Cause I know a lot of
please.
you guys have been saying, I want to see Chili, I want to see Lily, or I want to see them both.
Yeah,
And you're missing one or the
yeah,
other.
Chili has
So
been
I
vlogging for a
enjoyed
long
it
time
because
because usually
obviously
Logan.
it's videos of me and my daughter, and we're playing, we're having fun, we're picking flowers, we're walking around the neighborhood. So I find it great. But I don't know if that's something you guys want to see.
I
Just
do.
us doing whatever she wants to do. Give me some ideas. Love you guys. We'll see you next time. If you guys want me to vlog more often, I guess I will.
Yes, please, Chili. Okay, well, this is a good Chili vlog, guys, because this is the first time Chili's vlogging again, because she hasn't been vlogging for a long time. Because you guys know it's usually Logan as a vlog, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let me just make a official thumbnail. Okay, got it, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. You guys been watching this video, so thank you for watching. So, till next time, okay? Bye bye.